claps. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole and welcome to another house vlog. So I have already been filming for this vlog and I actually forgot to film an intro. So you're going to see me pop back in looking similar to this a little bit later in this vlog. But basically, this is the intro to the video and now I'm going to go back a few days. But in this vlog, I am working on the countertops in the kitchen, which is so exciting. That's the very end of the video. I know that because I'm doing that today. But so yeah, I am finishing painting all over the house. I'm just looking at the clips right now. I'm finishing painting and I also had some floor people come in. I also had some technical difficulties when it came to the floors, so I will update you all on that throughout this vlog. But yes, if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video and jump back a few days. Okay. Hey guys, it is another day and I wasn't expecting to vlog today, but I have a super exciting video happening tomorrow, or like with the house and everything. So I needed to finish this vlog up so that I can start a new one tomorrow. Let's just say the floors will be muy bien tomorrow and so will the bathrooms. So I'm so excited to show you guys that, but I need to finish this vlog and this vlog will include me going to actually order the floors that will be installed tomorrow and painting the dining room and the hallway. So I will be doing that and I'm taking you guys along with me. So let's go to the house first. Okay, I'm in the house now and I'm going to give you all just a cute little recap. So this is where we left off. I finished painting this wall and all of this, but I need to do a second coat on here. So that'll be quick and easy. That will be so quick and easy. And then I'll also do a second coat here and on the stairs as well. And I will be painting this with the primer, putting the primer on here, just literally all over in the hallways here. And then I'll circle back around to put some gray on this wall up here, and that'll be last because the primer will of course need to dry. And then I'm going to get the gray on this wall. As you can see, I started and I went ahead and did the edges, but yeah, that's all I need to do. Just go ahead and paint this wall. This should be pretty easy. So I'm of course going to take this off because I do not want that oil-based primer to get on here. And then, what is that? And then I'm going to start with the primer and then work my way around the house. Okay, here is what the walls are looking like right now. I have to do another coat in here, but I had to stop yesterday just because it was getting, it got dark really quickly because it started storming pretty hard yesterday. So I didn't get to do the second coat here that I need to do, but I did finish this wall. I did finish painting these walls. So they're all white and they will be painted gray, just like the walls downstairs. And I have the floor people who will be here in about, he said he would be here early actually, so about 15 minutes. So I will go ahead and do the second coat in the small room downstairs. And then when he gets here, I'll just stop what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm actually here super early today, which is good because I need to stop getting here so late when I have time to be here early. Literally everything except for this wall right here, and so I'll paint this wall. Dude, I turned and I got paint on my arm and I was like, wow, I'm so glad I took my hoodie off. That would have been annoying to get it on a black hoodie, but yeah, so now I get to put the first coat on these walls and then I'm pretty much done for the day. But everything looks so good. I love this gray. I think it's so pretty. And I don't know, honestly, the gray just looks so much brighter than like the white to me. So So happy about that. I did the extra coat on this wall and this wall and this wall over here. So the extra coat is literally everywhere. And I also finished up in here. It's just drying now. So yeah, I cannot wait for it to be dry though. The paint upstairs is drying, and now I kind of want to take the blue tape off because actually the white trims will be next. So I kind of want to take the blue tape off, and I don't know, I just love that part. So hopefully I didn't, like, I know sometimes like whenever you take the tape off, the paint chips with it, and I really hope that doesn't happen. So let's do this together. I honestly don't remember if you're actually supposed to take this off when the paint is wet, but let's hope. Actually, I think you're supposed to peel down. Oh, nope, you're not. Hold on. For some reason, I really thought this would be just so aesthetic and so easy, but the way this tape is coming out is really irritating me. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, why are you doing this? I definitely just thought I would be able to just peel it down and it would just come off so easy.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Okay, it's much later. I was talking to my dad, and as you can see, I got all of the blue tape down. I love the way this looks. I also went in here and got the blue tape down. Oh, I love it. It looks so good. Literally so good. So I'm so happy about that. And next I will be working on the trims because a lot of the trim just needs to be, some of it just needs to be touched up, but a lot of it just really needs like a fresh coat. So I'll have to chip down the coat that's on there and then paint it. But yeah, I literally love the gray color so much. Love it so much. And I cannot wait to put the arm rail or stair rail, whatever, back up. Hey guys, so it has been a minute since I last vlogged. I'm not even sure what all has happened. I'm pretty sure more floor people came in. If I haven't included that in the vlog already, then I'm including it now. But yeah, I was not planning on stopping by the house. I have been just super busy recently, just trying to get my life together. I have a few updates for you guys coming up in an update vlog, but please look at how cute this looks. Like, I literally love the gray and the white. Just it makes the house just look so much better already. So I'm so happy with that. But yeah, so I decided to stop by today to start on the kitchen, which is a full project that I will be doing probably tomorrow, but I wanted to stop in today to give myself a head start. So as you can see, I haven't done anything in the kitchen, but it will look just as bright and pretty as the rest of that. I promise. I just know it will look so good once I get started and done and everything. If you guys remember, I have countertop people, or my countertops are actually already done. They're waiting to be installed, but obviously I have to finish, or I don't have to, but I want to finish the floors and the cabinets, and I'm getting new appliances and everything, so I need to finish all of this first. So yeah, so in today's video I will just be cleaning all of this, and that's literally all I'm doing today. It's just cleaning up in here. So just cleaning the walls, wiping down the cabinets and everything so that I can start on painting them tomorrow. But yes, I literally love how it looks out there. It gets me so excited. And I think I'm going to start with the walls first. Okay, all of this stuff has been wiped down and it actually already looks better. So I don't know. Was it just like dusty? Did the people here just not clean? I have no idea, but it already looks better. Tomorrow I will be, I mean, it still has to like fully dry. As you can see, it's still kind of, you can kind of tell it's damp or whatever. But tomorrow it will be fully dry. Well, it'll be fully dry before I leave here today because I will fully dry it. But yeah, so tomorrow I will be sanding all of this down, or yeah, sanding it down, taking it down, painting it, and yeah, painting everything in here. But I will be leaving obviously the cabinets and everything off while it dries. And yeah, I'm so excited this area to look completely different. The walls have also already been cleaned, and you guys saw me in the last few clips taking the unnecessary nails out of the wall because I guess I just love to hang things up, and I don't really need those nails because I don't know where I'm hanging things or what I'm hanging. So I had to take those down. And yeah, so pretty excited to get started in here. Once I change it in here, this whole house will look completely different just because this is the place that I enter into all of the time. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's a few days later since I last vlogged, and this is the same day as the intro. It's making sense to you all, and it's not making sense to me right now in the moment. But yeah, so it's another day, and in today's part of the video, I am going to the house and I'm going to start on the countertops. I watched some countertop videos this morning, so I kind of have an idea of what I need to grab today from the store to make this process as easy as possible. And yes, I'm excited to get started, and I will meet you guys either at the store or at the house. Okay, I decided to stop here first just to see what appliances and everything they have in here. So let's go in. Looks like I just got the vanities measured out, priced out, and the cabinets in the kitchen priced out. And please look at this pimple. That let you know I am so tired and so ready to be done at this point. But I never even like introduced this part of the vlog. Anyways, I'm in Menards right now because well, I went home and the floor guy came. I didn't vlog that. Hold on. Hey guys, so it has been a minute since I vlogged, since I last vlogged, but I have so many updates for you guys, including the fact that the walls are painted, and I have a lot of changes that have happened and are happening to this house. I also received a ton of packages that I need to unbox with you all, but I will not be unboxing that in this vlog. I will be unboxing that in the next vlog. So if you're interested in seeing some of the decor packages that I received, then tune into the next vlog. And yeah, so I guess I could just walk around and kind of show you guys what has changed or what will change and some of the updates. Okay, so first off, in the next vlog, I will be painting this, but I just need to prime it, and I will be painting / replacing some of the trim. Also in the next vlog, this wall and this wall will be coming down. So these were add-on walls, and I just don't want them. I want this area to be open and everything. So those walls will be coming down, which will get rid of this door, which was something I needed to replace, but I will no longer need to replace them. This door will be updated, and I already have a plumber and everyone coming for the floors, the shower to be installed, a new vanity, a new mirror, the lights, literally everything will be happening in the next vlog. And I'm so excited. And yeah, so after I get everyone in here, I will then go into sanding these floors and staining them. I'm so excited for that as well. The kitchen and the upstairs bathroom looks like it will be the biggest projects, but I had people come in and measure out the new cabinets that I will be receiving. Update, I don't know if I told you guys or not, but I'm not DIYing these cabinets. I am literally getting rid of all of this. I'm also getting rid of the appliances that was left for me in this house, and I'm getting all new appliances. So I'm so excited about that as well. Also, the floors will be installed in the next few days. So many updates for you guys. In the next vlog, I do plan on priming that kitchen though, because although they told me to wait to paint it until they got the cabinets in, I need to prime it because I just genuinely cannot stand going into that kitchen and it's red and black. I hate it so much. I'm trying to run through this quick because my phone's about to die, but yes, so flooring will be done in the next vlog. This tub is going, this hard aluminum metal tub is going, getting a brand new tub wall, painting this. All of this will be white, getting new shelving. This vanity will go. I have a new vanity for both bathrooms coming literally in like 2 days. And then this mirror will go. Also already have a new light. All this will be so gone and I'm so excited. The plumber guy is also going to shift this toilet over because it's a little too close to, it's just too close to the vanity. It's not even comfortable. So he's shifting this over and I think we're going to have the toilet roll on that side, make it more user-friendly. Also, the vanity is coming closer to the edge of like here. I am just so excited for all of the changes. Oh, also in the next vlog, I will be painting the ceilings finally. So yes, I'm just so excited for the next few changes that are coming because we're getting down to the nitty-gritty. It's almost time for me to actually move into this house, which by the time you watch this vlog, I will have already moved, right? No, I'll have one more vlog before I have officially moved into this house. And I'm so excited because that means it's literally almost done. So I've basically set a bunch of this stuff up for sale, a bunch of the furniture and everything that was left for me at the appliances. So for now, that is actually going to conclude this long, I think, video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here in the next few super exciting vlogs and just really with another video.